Welcome. If you've ever clicked a link in Discord and wondered why it opens in your phone's default browser instead of staying inside the app, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to open links in Discord's in-app browser, so you can stay right where the action is, without ever leaving the app. This guide is fully updated, so let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Web Browser. It might be a little further down the list, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Tap on Web Browser to open up the browser settings for Discord. Now you'll see a couple of options here. What you're looking for is the one that says In-App Browser. Tap on this option to select it. By choosing the in-app browser, you're telling Discord to open any links you click right inside the app, instead of bouncing you out to Chrome, Safari, or whatever your default browser might be. That's it. From now on, whenever you tap a link in any Discord chat or server, it'll open up in Discord's own browser window. This makes it super convenient to check out links, read articles, or watch videos, all without ever leaving your conversation. If you ever want to switch back to your device's default browser, just repeat these steps and pick the other option. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Stay connected and see you in the next video.